Hello guys, this is part B of lesson 3. Let's continue to write the Cangjie auxiliary keys from K to P. Okay, this time we start with the K, K1. You remember the K is this, die, big. And now K1 is across, but 45-degree slant, like this. And this word is ngao. It means a sign from heaven. And both parts, just like a cross, are K. So this is KK. Next one is this one. And the word example here is yao, means right, 右边. K2 is a horizontal line plus a left slant. And K3 is a bit complicated, like this. This is a radical, a part of a word, which means sickness. And this word means sick or getting ill. Bang, bing. Once again, K3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strokes. This is a radical or a part of a word, which means sickness. Now we come to L1. L, you remember, is this, 中. And the first auxiliary key takes the middle vertical stroke. So this word, very simple word, means a towel, 干, 巾. And L1 auxiliary key is a vertical line. And the second auxiliary for L2 is this one. It's straight but a little bit bent to the left. And this is L1. This is L1. So this is L2, L1, L1. This is a river, Chuan Chun in Chinese. And this time, these 3 strokes, only the stroke on the left hand side is L2. L3 is also a radical. Is usually put on the left hand side like this, which means the clothes. And this word means the beginning. I repeat, this is L3, radical or a part of the word, which means clothes. And the last auxiliary key for L4 is this, just like this. This is L4. And the example, put some more strokes here, and the whole word means book, 书本. I repeat L4 like this. Then we come to M. M, you remember, is a horizontal stroke, horizontal line like this. And this is 1, of course. And the first auxiliary key for M is a horizontal line plus a small left slant like this. If we put A here, it becomes 百, 100. It means 100. Okay, I'll repeat once more. The horizontal line plus a small left slant. This is M1. And M2, quite similar. Horizontal line, but this time the left slant starts from the beginning of the line and then go to the left corner. This is M2. If we put a small yan here, 人, this become the word 这. So once again, M2, horizontal line plus a long left slant. And M3 here is like this, or sometimes it's become a horizontal line at the bottom. And adding this right hand side like this, this is 好巧. It means cute. So this time M3 is something like this, or sometimes like this is also M3. And M4 is a bit tricky. You must be careful. This is a dot, and this is M3, a 45-degree upward right stroke like this. And we put the E here, remember, 水. And this word is ice, 冰, 冰. And once again, M4 here is a 45-degree upward stroke. Now we go to N. You remember N? This is N. 弓, arrow. The first auxiliary key for N is the last vertical stroke here, like this, with the hook. This is 可，可以的可。I repeat the auxiliary key N1 like this. The hook is the key here. And N2 is this part. This is N2, and we put one more long dot here. That is 夕夕. It means the night. Okay, I repeat N2 like this. 2 strokes, N2. And N3, more or less the same but smaller. This part is N3. Yeah, something like this, but the last stroke is much shorter. Then we put this B, U, and the 2 dots we just learned. Remember, this is fu, means fail. So I repeat N3 like this. Okay, and N4 is the last part of this word. This is hao, and this is yan, and the last part here, this is N4. Okay, 2 turns. I repeat the part here is N4, and there are many auxiliary keys for N. This is the last one, N5, something like this, but this part can be longer, like this. And this is an example. O, I, in the last part here, horizontal line with a sharp turn. This is Canjie, now it means. And this part here is N5, like this. Okay, the last one in this lesson is O. You remember O? That's O. 人. And this O also seemed a little bit the same, but the second stroke becomes our vertical stroke. And put the A1, remember? And then the M. This is dan. It means but. Okay, this is the O1. Usually put on the left hand side of a word. And O2. Also 2 strokes like this. And we put a J, a 10 here. This is no, it means noon. This is O2, like this. And O3, it's like a sharp roof. And putting an M, N, and R, it becomes hub, means feet. this sharp roof of a house is O3. And O4 is very simple. It's just the last stroke of this word. This is S. We talk about this later. And this last stroke, the right side slant is O2. Okay, I repeat. O2 is the right word like this, going to the right bottom slant. And the last one, this one, O5, is also the last part here. This is J. We talk about this later. And M with the small leftward slant. And this is S. We talk about this later. This is H, but it's cancelled. And then the last part here, there's two stroke, is O5. Okay, I repeat, the last part here is O5. And then we go to P, the last part here, P1. You remember P is the heart, like this. And P1 usually on the left hand side. And then I, R, this is E. It means happy. Okay, I forgot the last word we talk about is the home, Jia. This is E. And P1 is this. P2 is the first part here with A underneath. This is P2, like this. And P3 is like this one, but the direction of this one is on the opposite. Okay, with O, we just talk about, and then a hook, a big hook like this, and going down here like this. So in this word, the P3 is this part. And for P4, the shape is similar, but look at this. This is O, we just talk about, and then a horizontal line plus this hook. This is P4, and then a dot here. But the key puts the dot on the top first, so it's O-I-P. And I repeat, the P4 here, the shape is the horizontal line plus a right side slant, like this. Okay, the last auxiliary key for P is a bit tricky. We start with the T, we will talk about later, like this. And then the C, we just mentioned. And the last part here, look at this. Vertical line with one dot on the left and two dots on the right hand side, like this one. The lower part is P5. And this is Gong. The last word is Doi. And the P3, this is Fa. Okay, I repeat, the P5 shape is like this. Vertical line with a hook, and then one dot on the left and two dots on the right, just like this. Okay, this is the end of part B, lesson 3.